What's what, 5 o'clock in the morning?
5:02.
5:02 in the morning, we're waiting for Ben.
Right.
Oh, maybe. There you go. Brand new GoPro 10 with the media mod on it. Man, I'm tired. Sat at the plant, did nothing till 10 o'clock but sit in the damn sun. Just to take the truck out of there. Now I've been pressure washing a little bit. The skid steer had some rocks or something stuck in it. It was making a bunch of noise. So I did that real quick. Now it's 12:30 on Friday. I'm just gonna go have lunch with Ashley and probably just change my clothes real quick. I'm pretty filthy and covered with grease and dirt spray from the pressure washer. And then I can't get the guy that hauls hay to give me a call back. But as soon as I hear from him, I was gonna go load hay tonight to go take it up there tomorrow, but I need to confirm with him that we're even gonna do that. Currently the haul truck's hooked to the RGN, so I'd have to unhook it and pick up the dovetail, which is easy. Don't think I'm complaining. I'm just saying that I want to hear from him first before I go and do all this, and then I can just make sure. Oh man, I'm tired. I think I probably got about an hour and a half sleep last night. I should probably just go home, but got more to do. I'm the only one that can do it right now, so we'll see. But I'll shoot a little more video, but we'll see what today develops. So if here on the next clip I'm loading hay, then you know that our hay guy hauled and said that. If the next clip is me heading home, then you know we're not going to go load hay. Apparently not drive up there tomorrow. But we still got stuff to do tomorrow. Hopefully we can go get a load of pea stone. See how it goes. Probably not making any sense. I'm fucking tired. I need to start getting more sleep. This is ridiculous. It's getting too much. Lunchtime. Ashley's with me. I gotta get used to holding the GoPro 10 further away. The 8 didn't zoom in this far. This one does. But I think we're gonna go to, is it Carl's Jr.? Burger King. I don't remember which one that one is. We have both here in town.
Yeah. The one by Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Carl's Jr.
Alright, Carl's Jr. We're gonna go to Carl's Jr. I'm trying out my new GoPro stick. That's a lot better. Holds the GoPro a little bit further away. Last video on the way over to get lunch here, I was holding it in my hand, and now it's on this little stick. It works way better.
Yeah, it's way better. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm picking up another load of rock, the rock plant. Picked up a half load of bee stone for the yard, and then waited for Tony to spread and roll some of this concrete rock, which is 1.25 inch rock. And then I'm just getting another load of him to give him 2/3 out front, and the rest third in the back of this little project that we're doing. So, waiting for the loader to come around. Probably just do 20 ton. Usually it's 19, but it's easier to hold up a 2 and a 0 than it is a 1 and a 9 when you're wanting 19 ton. Well, it's 4:15. No word on the hay. Tony's done doing what he's doing. I got nothing left to do, so I said the hell with it, and I locked the gate and I left. I gotta go get more external storage for my computer, and then I broke my screen protector on my phone, so I'm gonna go get a new one. Well, got a new phone case, headset attachment for the GoPro, and then got 6 terabytes expanded storage. Seagate. That's what I trust. That's what I use. I have a whole bunch of these at home. Probably 10 terabytes or so. Something like that. But Seagate, if you're watching, feel free to send me more storage devices. I'm giving you enough money as it is. You can help a brother out. Send him some more gear. I only trust you guys. I played a prank on Ashley.
Yeah.
I told her I met a girl at Walmart. And she came running outside.
Mm-hmm. Not funny.
It's a little funny. Can I touch your hair?
You know what? You put that on YouTube. You can't do that.
Ashley's on her scooter.